Hello, my name is Jerry, and I would like to present some information because I've had discussions with people who believe in evolution that now evolution is heralded as a fact and as truth, as opposed to the theory of evolution that I was taught in school, and I graduated from high school in 1979. Now, some point in the last 40 years, the theory part of evolution's been dropped, and quite honestly, evolution is mathematically impossible, and here's some of the reasons why. There are about 100 amino acids that we're aware of, and there's only 20 that are needed for life's proteins. Of those 100, the shape determines whether they're designated left-handed or right-handed. And the amino acids used in producing life's proteins are all left-handed. Now, what are the chances of this occurring by accident? Well, proteins needed for life have very complex molecules. Now, the chance of even a simple protein molecule forming at random in organic soup, the math comes out to be 1 in 10 to the 113th power of that happening by accident. Now, this isn't me speaking. This is, in fact, Nobel laureate George Weld. 1967, he won the Nobel Prize for science. I believe it's science. And also J.D. Barnard, who's a physicist, have come up with this equation. All things are quantifiable. Everything comes down to math. And the math in that instance just does not add up. But if we ignore that completely, let's take it a step further. Some proteins serve as structural materials and others are enzymes. Now the latter, the enzymes, speed up the needed chemical reaction in a cell. Without that speed and those enzymes, the cell would die. Not just a few, but 2,000 proteins serving as enzymes are needed for the cell's activity. They're all essential. What are the chances of obtaining these 2,000 proteins at random? 1 chance in 10 to the 40,000th power. Now those numbers, 1 in 10 with 40,000 zeros, what do they mean? Well, there isn't a mathematician worth his weight in whatever who would say that anything larger than 1 in 10 to the 50th power is possible. It becomes a mathematic impossibility at that point. And this is 1 in 10 to the 113th power or 1 in 10 to the 40,000th power. This simply proves beyond the shadow of a doubt, among many other statistics, that evolution is simply not possible.